All right, so I just got this thing. It's an automatic door opener, and I think it's a solar automatic door opener. Let's go ahead and open it up, see what the story is. I don't know what I'm gonna make this. I got to do something with it, figure out something. But we'll do it. We'll get it figured out. All right, so it comes with this box. Let's see what's in here. All right, so what do we got here? Oh, we got a solar panel. We've got instructions. Let's hang on to those. It looks like we've got some type of a device that we would connect with some screws to something. We'll have to figure that out. But let's go ahead and get it opened up. Okay, yeah, here we got a bunch of screws. And here's the piece. Not quite sure what we're going to do with that. These got wing nuts on them, so that's interesting. This has got a pretty long thing, and you got a little connector there. So let's set that to the side. And let's take a look at this. This looks like it's the door. So let's go ahead and pull that out. All right, yeah, here we go. So this is the solar chicken door opener. It's for chicken coops. All right. So apparently, this will open up. Somehow it does something, some way. We're gonna have to probably do some reading up on this thing because we've got Sun Energy. Let's turn around. This is the name of the company, by the way. Sun Energise here. This is like a little thing that's on here. Let's get that off of there. All right, so anyway, this must lift up somehow. And I would imagine that it slides up through here and opens up a chicken hatch so that the chickens can get out. But we're gonna have to do some reading. It did come with another packet of screws. So here's our chicken door. Here's our solar panel. Here's a set of these and those, and here's this special connector, and that is the directions. All right, this is going to be interesting. All right, that's the unboxing of it, and now I've got to learn about it and put it together and show you how it works. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos. Peace out.